The test kit should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Before testing, bring all reagents to room temperature, around 25 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Gently shake the reagent bottles before use. Take out the frame of the microplate along with the required number of wells. Then place the unused microplate wells into the sealed bag. Return the remaining kit to the refrigerator. Dilute the concentrated wash buffer by a factor of 20, concentrated wash buffer / deionized water equals 119. Number the wells in sequence corresponding to the samples and standards. Make 2 well parallel trials for each sample and standard and record their locations. Add 50 ml of standard or sample into each numbered well. Then add 50 ml of HRP conjugate per well. Next, add 50 ml of antibody solution into each well. Finally, cover the microtiter plate with the adhesive membrane, shake gently by hand, or use a microplate shaker. 4/5 and incubate for 30 minutes at 25 degrees Celsius in the dark. Uncover the adhesive membrane carefully, discard liquid in the wells. Pipette 350 ml of working wash buffer to every well. Let stand for 30 seconds, then drain. Repeat 5 times. Invert the plate and tap it against a thick absorbent paper or lint-free cloth, with a soft towel placed underneath. Add 50 ml of substrate reagent A to each well. Then add 50 ml of substrate reagent B per well. Shake gently for 5s and allow to react for 15 minutes at 25 degrees Celsius in the dark. Pipette 50 ml of stop solution to each well and shake gently to mix. The reaction would be stopped. Determine the optical density OD value at 450 nanometers, reference wavelength 630 nanometers, with a microplate reader. Finish this step within 10 minutes after stop the reaction.